Want to install Zoom on your PC or laptop, but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to download and install Zoom on Windows. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Zoom Download Center. Then, open the official Zoom website. On the Download Center page, you'll see Zoom Workplace for Windows at the top. Click the Download button to start downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. Now, wait a few moments while Zoom installs on your computer. The installation usually takes less than a minute. When it's finished, Zoom will open automatically. From here, you can sign in with your existing Zoom account or click Sign Up if you don't have one yet. And that's it. Zoom is now successfully installed on your PC or laptop, and you're ready to join or host meetings. I hope this video helped you install Zoom on your computer. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.